Dili ka mo mag-effort ba? Ah, kamo siyang need improve himself. You're doing your best. Very best, Jillian. Only you need to listen. Less in baka naghangin man eh. Less in excitement. Ay, not good at all. Looking for acoustic guitar ma. 5 to 7K. Agisan ka electric guitar. To. I'm in Zoom. To ma. Kasi ay na, kaya nagpuan ko. Have another phones. So, spelling ni kanay na siguro. Kaya daghan mo ang negative si Breaks Jules. So many negative things. Inon, basi ija, uling-uling, arapod na. Di ikaw kaya nagsirisog taman. Tansi ka. You're taking things so serious. Diyan siya kay wa. Nang binuang-binuang ka. I-play ba lang? Playing. Iduwa-duwaan na. Nang already nga baka nang mas day ka istorya. Mga talking station. Good. No. No. Real. Gusto man kasi dyan mo i-pamper ka adyo. Na pwede. Ano, ang bata pa man po mo pa man may buot. Pero wala pa siya. Pagawasan, di magawas. Taga na din na. Katong dito mo sa sa Abi ganina kung mo na siya kay kamo na kaya. Wala mo gyapon. Pagawasan, di magawas. Katong dito ko sa pag gawas ay. Naara dyan ka. Tag-hospital wa kay kamo man kaya. Wa dyan. Sorry, may discreet ba? Itigil mo na. Ano yung kabaliwan. Asa ba ito na? Ito cellphone diha. Ano ko yung ginanap ang cellphone diha? Anak ko. Sabi dito. Ano ko kapil? Ano to ami ano sa? Tara ko sa kusina ka. Wala pa dito. Oo, wala kang kita. Si Sir James o si Sir Jessa. Piki ang relasyon niyo kapag walang black at unblock. Sige, galing. Lagi kang kayo po. Iin mo na kung anong kay Mugara ko. Storya, simple lang. Ay, guys, diyang naugan na murag lahi laging kanot. Kay ka dyan masid. Pag-klase alas. Okay.
I'm so sorry.
Wait me ha. I will have to finish. Let us have lesson for 5 minutes. Teacher N has another class. Okay?
PowerPoint.
Okay,
What?
so here, look at this one, Carrie. Try to create questions for each situations. Try to create questions for each situation. Okay, please, lesson number 1. Okay, Carrie, listen. The picture
Okay.
is on the beach. Can you see? The picture, Carrie, is on the beach. Okay, look at this one. Now, can we go for a swim now? Okay, so try to create questions for each situation.
I
Example,
answer. I
okay?
answer.
Yeah, wait.
Oh,
Okay, so can you go to swim now? Oh, these are
okay.
questions. Okay,
Okay. Let's go swimming.
okay. Where is my towel?
I
Where is my towel? Where is my towel?
uh
Is the sea cold?
here.
Is the sea cold? Then how deep is the water? How deep is the water?
How deep is the water?
How deep is the water? Are the waves high? These are questions, Carrie,
I
about
don't.
the beach. Now,
I
listen, Carrie. Carrie, listen. What
Yeah.
can you say about the beach? What can you say about the beach?
One more. One more. One more.
What can you say about the beach?
Yes. You right?
Okay, no, answer. What can you
You,
say about the beach?
you answer.
Look
Yes.
at the
I.
beach. Look at the beach. What can you say? Can you say? The beach is beautiful. Okay. What's the color
Uh,
of umbrella? What is the color of the umbrella, Carrie? Look at the umbrella. What is the color?
Red.
It's
Red
red or
and
pink?
white.
Pink and
Pink
white. It's
and
color
white.
pink and white. Okay. How many trees can you see? How many trees can you see? How many trees can you see? How
Trees.
many trees can you see? Trees here.
Trees.
1, 2, 3,
Five.
4, 5. There are 5. Okay, very
Six.
good.
No, 6.
There are 6. Okay. How many boats can you see? How many boats can you see? How many boats can you see?
What is bow? You right? I
Okay.
don't know.
How many boats? There is only one? How many boats can you see?
Bow.
Yeah, boat here. The ship.
One.
How many ship can you see? How many? One only. Okay. How many ball can you see? How many ball can you see?
How many?
Ball.
Ball. One. One ball.
Okay. Ball. This one. The volleyball. How many?
One. One.
Okay. One. How many chair?
One.
Only
One.
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 Okay. One chair. Okay,
One.
very good, Gary, for today. Teacher Ann has another class. I have another student waiting for me, okay? I will see you tomorrow. Okay, Gary? Tomorrow.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay, tomorrow, let us be early tomorrow. Okay, bye-bye.
I out.